In a city as fast as Mumbai, Sahabav Premium Geriatric Facility stands as a place where every elder is treated with patience, dignity, and heartfelt care.
Namaste, my name is Shiva. I've recently joined Sahabav and I'm here to transform. I think Dr. Mini and team has done a fabulous job in bringing Sahabav to this level. Close to 100 elders are getting served across facilities. We are keen to apply right technologies in making sure that our residents and their families get best of the experiences. We'd like to make our operations efficient, and we'd also like to curate new customer propositions. We'd like to serve our customers better. We'd like to serve customers at various points of care. We'd like to enhance the quality of life of elders in India. Not only in India, we'd like to spread our wings across the globe. We'd like to evaluate such opportunities too.
Every resident receives care tailored to their physical and emotional well-being. Medication, physiotherapy, counseling, and mobility support. Everything is delivered with precision, compassion, and warmth.
At Sahabav, we deal with all geriatric age group people. Meeting these people, these old age people, I have learned and evolved in a great sense over this 4 years. And generally, if you see the working at Sahabav, there's a great team which is working for Sahabav. At every centers we have nurses and managers, the ward boys and the maushis who work for the welfare of the people who are staying here. Even if there is a medical emergency, we see to it that it is attended as early as possible. Every medical emergencies are taken care to the best of our abilities. Even if there is a death, we deal with the death, and we deal with the post-death requirements as well. So overall, this makes this place a wonderful place for elderly people. We also call for these specialities to visit here as and when required, and to look at the medical emergencies. And it is such a wonderful place that if in case in future, even my parents, if they are, if I am looking for a place, I would recommend this place to my parents as well.
Behind this gentle atmosphere is a team dedicated to service with compassion.
Basically, at home, we focus more on their hygiene part, nutrition part, and the safety. But at Sahabav, we go much beyond and take care about their mental wellness, well-being, and their comfort zone. We just love what we are doing here, and we are happy to serve them.
Our main focus at Sahabav is to look at their emotional, mental, and physical well-being. We do come up with a lot of innovative activities. We brainstorm that and we work on it.
I'm Neelam Shah. I'm a center manager at Sahabav. So when the residents comes in at Sahabav, they become a part of our family, extended family. And to make them more comfortable, we customize our plan. Depends on their clinical and cultural background. And all the activities are also planned according to their physical health and mental health and all that at Sahabav.
सब इतना पसंद करते हैं, इट्स जस्ट उनका दूसरा घर है उनके लिए, और वो हमेशा यहीं पे रहना पसंद करते हैं.
What makes Sahabav truly special is the human touch. Caregivers here don't just perform tasks, they build real relationships, listen to stories, and stand beside every elder like a family member.
मला इथे काम करून खूप आनंद वाटतो आणि सगळे ज्येष्ठ नागरिकांची सेवा करायला मिळते आणि आमच्या इकडे सगळे सण सेलिब्रेशन करतात.
यहाँ बड़े बुजुर्गों के साथ काम करके मुझे अच्छा लगता है. सब मेरी एज के हैं तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, और यहाँ हम एक फैमिली की तरह रहते हैं.
मुझे इधर बहुत अच्छा लगा, क्योंकि मैं जब पहले आई थी ना, तो मुझे ऐसा लगा था कि मैं यहाँ पे काम नहीं करूँगी. मैं एक दिन में मैम को बोला था कि मुझे नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है, पर अभी ऐसा लग रहा है कि घर पे नहीं और इधर ही रहो.
जितने भी लोग हैं, बस यहाँ पर सबसे छोटी मैं ही हूँ, तो मुझे इन लोग के साथ काम करके बहुत अच्छा लगता है. कभी ऐसा फील नहीं हुआ है कि ये लोग मेरे अलग है.
मैम लोग, पूरे स्टाफ लोग बहुत अच्छे हैं, और जितने भी जन हैं यहाँ पे क्लाइंट, सारे स्टाफ और सारे क्लाइंट लोग सीनियर सिटीजन लोगों की सेवा करके बहुत अच्छा लगता है. और हम सारे फेस्टिवल यहाँ पर बहुत अच्छे से मनाते हैं.
For families, Sahabav becomes a trusted partner in care, Regular updates and compassionate involvement ensure complete peace of mind for their loved ones.
There is no other facility that I can think of in India that would give you this kind of premium quality care. Dr. Mini Panika, the founder of this place, very lovingly calls her staff her working hands. And her working hands have never let them down. It takes a village to raise a child. But you know what? It takes an entire ecosystem to take care of the elderly. And Sahabav truly is that ecosystem.
My mom, Meena Surti, has been here at Sahabav from March this year. She was diagnosed with dementia and it was really difficult for us. And through a source, we found out about Sahabav, Dr. Mini and her team, who was doing a fantastic, fabulous job. She loves being here, taking part in all the festivals, her medications and everything, health, everything has only become more better once we have brought her here to Sahabav. The Sahabav team, it's really great and we are so thankful to them for taking care not only of mummy but each and every member, patient over here.
करीब 2.5 साल से यहाँ सहभाव में रह रही हूँ। यहाँ पे जब से सहभाव में आई हूँ यहाँ के इनके सपोर्ट से मैं बहुत एक्टिव हो गई हूँ। मेरे हाथ से मैं पेन तक नहीं पकड़ सकती थी लेकिन अब तो आराम से लिखती हूँ, ड्राइंग करती हूँ, कलरिंग करती हूँ, सब कुछ करती हूँ। मेरी शादी बहुत अर्ली एज में हो गई थी इसलिए मैं अपना डांसिंग का और सिंगिंग का शौक़ पूरा नहीं कर पाई। यहाँ पे वो सब कुछ अब कर पा रही हूँ। मैं फिर से बच्ची बन गई हूँ, लगता है मैं जीना सीख गई हूँ।
यहाँ के स्टाफ अच्छा है, मैडम अच्छी है, खाना पीना अच्छा है, सबको इतनी अच्छी तरह से ख्याल रखते हैं और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। मुझे कोई जात की तकलीफ़ नहीं है।
हम लोग कभी कभी पिकनिक पे भी जाते हैं, पिकनिक लेके जाते हैं। हम लोग लेके जाने का इतना सिस्टम अच्छा है, कोई व्हील चेयर पे है उन लोग को भी और हम लोग को भी, सबको व्यवस्थित लेके जाएंगे, व्यवस्थित लेके आएंगे।
Sahabav, where every elder finds a family and every moment finds meaning.